What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys may or may not know, my holidays are just around the corner, so I thought why not do a very simple easiest outdoor gym 7 challenges. Now you guys may be asking,
Hey Apoor, why only 7 days? Why not take it to the extreme 27 million days?
well, that's because there's only 7 days left in my holiday, so I decided to dedicate those days to this outdoor workout challenge. So let's begin. Challenge to do as many steps till the circle is still spinning. I rotated it at full speed and look at it, it's still going, and I'm currently at 450 steps. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. That thing just won't stop. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. Oh, I'm just having a countdown over here. We're just counting my steps so that I don't cheat. 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just chill, bro. How long are you going to spin? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's still spinning. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Guys, we made it till 630. Oh no. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And it has finally stopped, guys. As you can see, the wheel has finally stopped. That was big exercise. How is it spinning again? Is this thing possessed? Oh no. No, 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 no. Run! That thing's definitely possessed. I'm just literally struggling to catch breath right now, but when I started like this fateful expedition, I was at like 2800 steps. Right now you can see I clearly have 3427 steps, which puts me exactly at 630 steps. So I was not cheating at all. This was such a big challenge at the outdoor gym kind of stuff, but thank you so much for this idea. Like, you know, this is just so cool. Like, spin the wheel and then keep on exercising till you just literally come. We're back at the outdoor gym over here. So today we are going to do some more fitness challenges. So let's go. Right now I'm just gonna sit on this chair of doom over here, and then I'm going to hold these trusty bars who most probably won't let me down. And then let's see how much can I do with one hand. Oh my god, I can just seriously lift myself up using only one hand. You can just see how the suspension is behaving right now. It's very hard to do with only one hand, but I'm still going to try. Let's see if my right hand does any better. So I'm just going to hold this with my right hand. Ooh, that just did a lot better. You can see. Ooh, I don't think I'm just doing much damage to the chair. I'm just doing much damage to myself. Let's try the other one, because that seems a lot less brutal than this one. So basically what you're supposed to do in this one is you are supposed to push. Mind you that this one you're supposed to pull, and pulling technically requires more energy than pushing. Let's see if I can get any better on this one. Right now I'm just doing like the most riskiest job that I could think of. I am not holding my phone at all. I'm just holding it with my legs, and see how much can I lift myself up. Oh my god. I mean, like, this is very good for the muscles of your hand, so that you can just do more homework in less span of time. But technically this is just training my muscles more than training it. Oh my god. Like, okay, this is good. So I guess we just completed another one of those spin the wheel and run for it challenge. As you can see right now, my step count is 3661 steps. Let's see what good can I do. No, basically in this fitness challenge, I am supposed to spin this wheel as fast as I can until this thing spins. That is, unless it stops, I'm going to have to keep running or walking or whatsoever on this little machine over here. Now this is extremely brutal because this thing spins for like half an hour or something. I don't know why it is unstoppable. See, I just barely touched it and it's just gonna go. Like, this thing's crazy. Right, wish me luck. Here we go. I guess that's done. Come on, let's climb up on the machine. And now I'm running, as you can see on this machine. So the initial step count, if you guys just don't remember, was 3,661 steps. The wheel is still spinning. Let's see how many steps can we get. I'm also counting the time for which it has been spinning. So right now it's been spinning for like 35 seconds. It is now officially 1 minute of me running like this, and you can see the speed has not gone down by like much. It is still going at like a millions rounds per minute. So I guess that's going to be tiring. So let's just keep on the workout.
A few moments later.
I'm not joking right now. It's literally been 2.5 minutes. I'm still running. Like my toes hurt very much because I've just done 3 other gym challenges for you guys. As you can see, the wheel is still spinning as fast as it can. You won't believe this. I'm like literally tired right now. It's been 4 minutes, past 4 minutes actually. I'm still running as hard as I can. And look at this thing. It's still spinning as fast as it can. By the way, did I forget to tell you, this may or may not just be the hardest challenge, because these screws are not loose, they are actually very tight. So it is very hard to just make your foot do enough work to move these, whatever these hands are on the screws. It's just very tight and straining. Also, I'm just spreading my legs as far away as I can so as to make full benefit of this challenge. Let's just keep on going. Like the wheel is, it just seems so excited to ruin this challenge of mine. Let's see. This is so tiring. Oh my god, and this thing's just going. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's officially been like 6 minutes or something. This thing's still going. When is this thing going to stop? Guys, it's been 7.5 minutes. I'm still going, and this thing's also accompanying me. As you can see, this challenge was not going very well for me. I even thought of rage quitting, but I'm doing it for you guys. So please subscribe. We are so close to 200 subscribers. You won't believe we have officially hit the 11-minute counter. I guess this thing legit spins for half an hour or something. It's been 15 minutes while continuously, forcefully moving the screws on this thing. And this thing, I don't know what, like, it has like 57 ball bearings or something, or what. Like, what is making this thing spin, bro? It just won't stop. I guess the air is accompanying it too, because the breeze is quite good. I'm just so grateful for the breeze, otherwise my brain would just be burning with all the heat right now. I've just wasted all the calories that I got from Coke right now. What's up guys, it's officially been 20 minutes. Now this thing finally seems tired. I guess it can just go barely 1 more minute or something. Let's see. This thing's finally coming to a halt. I'll be so grateful if this just stops. Just let this end, you spinny thing. Look, wait, has it stopped? Wait, it did. Like, it's just yeah, just 1% of the energy left. Come on, yes, I can do it. Oh my god, please just don't come up with such hard challenges. It's so hard to do it. Wait, this thing just came to a halt. Does that mean I can get off now? I guess I can finally get off now. Oh my god, I wish I could show you how red my legs were. Like, oh my god, that was so tiring. Look at this thing. It just still hasn't stopped. It's still moving. What is this thing? I guess this thing can legit go 30 minutes because it has just gone 24 minutes right now. I guess if an adult would have spun it, it would have definitely reached 30. So as you can see, we are back here at the outdoor gym. So let's see what challenge we have for today. Floor is lava, but climb on the circular pads? What does that even mean? I just confirmed with the person who made me do the challenge, and it seems that he's talking about these things, but the floor is lava. Oh my god. I suppose now I'm safe. I seem to have make it over here, but now how on earth do I reach over there? Oh my goodness. So I've been at this for a while, as you can tell by looking at my worried face. So it turns out that maybe I have to go for a little risky, but the only option to complete my viewers challenge. So let's continue. Just trust me on this. I think I'm gonna make this work. Oh my god, I almost fell into lava, although the lava is a bit muddy. Okay, this is very risky. Please subscribe for my safety. Look how I'm just hanging off a volcano with lava right beneath me. I gotta make it. Okay. So we have successfully made to our second pad. I was over there, I'm over here, and I have to make it over there. That guy wants me to have the longest possible way. So I can't go from there directly to there. Oh my god, almost fell into lava again. So let's do the same thing again. I hope I don't fall into lava. Okay. I wish I had a little less slippy shoes. Guys, we have successfully completed the 4th challenge. Thank you so much for coming up with such great challenges. Until next time, see you. Whoa, whoa. Let's see what challenge we have for today. Pulling yourself up, but you have to burn at least 5 calories. Oh my god. Right now, burning calories with Apple Watch sensors is harder than climbing the Everest. So right now I have 136 calories. Let's see how many calories can I burn. Literally did another one of these climbing challenges like 2 days ago, and it did not turn out really well for my phone and my camera. So wish me luck and subscribe for my equipment safety. Just gonna sit down on the chair of doom, and I'm just gonna try and fix my phone somehow. All I'm going to try with only one arm, because supposedly that's gonna burn me more calories. Oh my god, why is that so impossible? Just decided we are going to be doing the other one for this challenge, because I just can't do it with one arm, like in that chair. So this one, you basically use force of gravity on your body weight to pull yourself up. So I guess I can just do it using the same trick that doing that previously. That is literally the maximum this machine can go. I've literally burned 2 calories already. Just 3 more to go. One thing that I forgot to read in the comments. I have only 5 minutes and I've already wasted 3 minutes talking to you guys. That means I only have 2 minutes to burn 3 calories. So I'm just back on this machine again, and we're going to try and work out even harder. Guys, you won't believe I've been at this for a while. I've been continuously working out like this. It's almost 2 minutes. 3, 2, 1, and the timer's off. It's finally time to see if I completed the challenge or not. I have 141 calories. Exactly what I wanted. Let's see what challenge we have for today. Outdoor gym, but do an extreme parkour challenge? How on earth am I supposed to do parkour in an outdoor gym? This is way bad of a challenge. Like, who is coming up with these challenges? Do you really want me to get hurt? Well, as long as you guys can subscribe, I'm even ready to do that. Let's go. That I finally have an idea in my mind. Let's show it to you guys. So I'm done with the first challenge. Let's go. Second challenge, I'm going to climb on this. Oh my god. You might think that this is like the easiest challenge ever, but this is actually so very hard. Oh my god. I almost fell down. Fast I slipped down this thing. This thing is just literally spinning. Definitely a failure. Let's try that again. Okay. Okay, let's just do this. Now I'm finally down on the first platform. Keep going. Oh my. I'm just slipping every moment. Third challenge is done. I almost lost these 2 teeth of mine. Thank goodness I didn't fall down. Parkour challenge, I'm going to be doing this thing, whatever this is, with my brother. This is because, this is not much of a parkour challenge, but I'm just doing this because there's not much I can do in an outdoor gym with just 5 gymming machines. So I guess whoever the challenger is, you won, and I pretty much lost. But I was still ready to at least break 2 of my teeth. So I'm just always doing a lot of dangerous videos. So please subscribe for my safety. Thank you so much for this video. Until next time, see you. So for today, I'm going to be doing push-ups on this thing. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
One eternity later.
85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So guys, I finally completed 100 push-ups. So please subscribe to my channel. I've successfully completed 7 days of my outdoor gym fitness challenge. So hope you like this fitness challenge. Keep coming up with more challenges for me. If you have any other challenge, do feel free to comment in the comment section. Until next time, see you.